Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're enjoying this content, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. Today I am making a very kale rich juice, and the ingredients are going to be in the description, and I will be sure to put the benefits and the recipe and tips in the description. This juice is definitely going to have a lot of calcium. I'm going to use some mint, and I'm going to use some green apple. I'm also going to use kiwi. I'm also going to use some lemon. I, of course, am using some kale. And so I'm putting my kale in, and I'm taking some lemon, and I'm taking a kiwi, and some apples. I'm going to go ahead and put the mint in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and juice this up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more kale and the ingredients. I'm going to add the apples and the kiwi and the lemon. Go ahead and juice this up. Okay, and we are done. And so I'm thinking we made about 16 ounces, okay? maybe about 6 to 8 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain this lovely deep green juice, and we will try it in a minute. Okay, so we have our lovely green juice, and remember the ingredients. We have kale, we have green apple, we have mint, we have a lemon, right? And we are definitely going to try it now. This is really, really, really good. I love it. I love the hint of the mint. Mint is very, very complimentary to green juices. And the zest from the lemon, it gives it that brightness. And again, this has a lot of vitamin K and antioxidants and calcium. And as always, Divines, I want you to continue to be well, be blessed, be abundantly blessed. Be true to yourself. Peace Divines. This is really good. I taste that green apple. Ooh. And be sure to check out my other juicing videos. Peace Divines.